Alright, Chris. What are you doing? You don't even know what we're doing.
I know what we're doing, I'm just about to...
Alright.
What's up guys? Today we're going to show you how to install a locker for your full drive.
What do we got in the box?
Oh no, you get these things. You also get one of these things. Get little springs. Which go in these 4 holes. And these just slide into your axles. So these go into your axles. These go here. And they clunk together.
Alright, let's pull some shit apart.
That's how you not lose your shit. Put it back where you found it.
Get your rags ready, boy. So what's next?
We've got to pull the pumpkin out. So, see there? It's an open. NANI? How does this work? How's that work?
Well, full drive's not engaged.
That's your full drive. Oh yeah, cool. So that there is your full drive selector. So when it's like that, you don't get any drive to the front wheel, and then when you go clicks over like that,
You get drive to one of the wheels.
you only get drive to one of the wheels, and that's because of these spider gears in here. So if I hold this axle here and spin that wheel spins, and vice versa. If I hold that, that happens. So yeah, we're going to change those, and then hopefully they'll spin together.
Alright. Run us through the issue, Chris.
Well, we need to get this out here. Is an axle going straight through the guts a bit down there. And to get this out, we got to do these bolts. And these bolts, if you look closely, it's a different type. We've got the tool at home, but we're not at home right now. We're at a mate's workshop, so yeah, it's just tools down, go get the right stuff. We'll revisit tomorrow.
Okay, so we're back with the right parts now. We've got the torque sockets. We need a number 14. Need a 14, an adapter. Okay, there's a pin in here. So we've got to loosen that up a bit. If we pull that pin out, we can pull the shaft out here and get the gears out. So that's next. Alright, so the other camera died. I have to use the GoPro. But basically, to get that pin out, you have to get the metal out of the way because it's hammered in to hold the pin in. So once you bend it back out of the way, you flip the whole pumpkin over, and this hole here, you just put a nail punch in and you can hit the pin out. Once the pin's out, you can hit the shaft out. And then you just spin these gears out of the way. Pull that one out, the other one comes out the bottom. These two gears will fall out. Now you need to keep the thrust washers off the back. Reuse them on your new locker. Then you got to put your spacers in. Flat part faces the middle. Alright, once everything's assembled, all the pins fell out while I was trying to put it together, but you can actually put them in afterwards. So you'll see a pin in there, and one there. I'm going to put the springs in while it's sitting like this, and then flip it over, and then do the other two.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Yeah, that's one. So what's easiest is to put the spring over the top of the pin. Just like that. And then push the spring down into the slot like that, and just send it home. There you go. Alright, I'll flip it over, do the other two. Really want to make sure those springs are in properly. Last one. Just like that. There we are. Alright, now we can refit everything. Just build our way back up. Gonna put the locking pin back in. Once that's seated, you got to hit the metal here to fold it over so the pin can't slide back up. So that. See there, it's all folded over. Put our ring gear back on. And there's an alignment mark I made earlier, so I can line it back up the way it was. Alright, I'm just going to wind these in evenly to seat the ring gear. Once the ring gear is seated, we'll pull them back out and put the retaining clips back on. Alright, we'll put the rest of them in and pull those out. These bolts want to be 75 foot-pounds. Okay, unfortunately I lost some footage from yesterday, but we've got this thing reassembled. The footage that's missing was basically me putting in the diff center back into the whole assembly here. You just got to torque your carrier bearings down to 75 foot-pounds as well, same as the ring gears. And once that's all reassembled, you just got to clean up all the surfaces with some Scotch-Brite and clean off the old RTV and then reseal it and bolt it back together, and then that's it. Job done.